furnace.
And his verse and his voice as the sound of many waters.
Now, this is one little passage they don't pick up on, which my Hebrew Israelite brothers don't pick up on. They pick up on the color, they don't pick up on the voice, because they don't understand the voice. Not only that, let's help you out again. Our Messiah is given an epithet called the Lion of the what?
The jungle.
Now, what kind of voice does a lion have? That's where that passage comes from. When his voice is as the voice of many waters. Because when the lion speak right here,
when the lion, the whole jungle tremble.
The whole jungle understands. Yes. And that's what a king is, right? When a king speaks from Buckingham Palace, you can close your ears up in Manchester. You better hear it though. So kings are speaking right now. Kings are speaking.